What is up, guys? Simple Gaming Tactics here today, and today we are going to be giving you guys a tips and tricks video on how to grow on YouTube. So let's get straight into it. Now, first and foremost, this is one of the big ones, is you need to have consistent uploads. That means you have to upload daily, and here I can show you my YouTube channel. If you guys see, this is my montage channel, my Fortnite gaming channel. May 31st, May 27th, May 23rd, May 13th. This was a 10-day jump. I was preparing this video, but the last couple of days I've been uploading every 4 days, and yeah, April 30, May 2, May 3, May 5. There's a couple of jumps. It's okay to have a couple of jumps because if you're preparing bigger stuff, but as you guys can see, I've been uploading quite frequently, and that's a good way to get good views, decent amount of views. On my simple gaming tactic video, I've started right now, but I upload every 2 days. I have a daily thing. For my montage channel, my Fortnite channel, which is quality, I upload whenever I can, but usually less than a week. Here, I have a consistent schedule that all my viewers know. It's in my bio too. I upload every other day. So that's a way to get good views, and your viewers know when you're going to upload. So number 2 here, guys, is good quality videos. Now, as you guys can see right here, I'm using pretty bad quality for you guys on purpose because I wanted to emphasize how important it is. You would not want to watch a video like this. You would want to watch something that's 60 hertz, very good quality, 100% 3D resolution, and yeah. So, moving on to number 3, do giveaways / intrigue your viewers. So, as I also do, I also give away V-Bucks. If you guys don't already know, you can join my Discord server, link in bio. But, if I do giveaways, I intrigue my viewers, and that way you can get a bigger viewer base. And with the bigger viewer base, it's consistent. And whenever you have more viewers, you can start monetizing your videos on YouTube. And with monetization, you can use the funds that you get from your YouTube channel and put them back into your YouTube to grow it even more. That's a really good tip, guys. All these tips are really good, actually. So moving on to number 4, stay up to date and upload trending content. So you guys, you need to upload content that's trending. If you upload something that's from like Mario Bros, you could still get quite a bit of views from that because it is popular back in the day, but it's old. So if you start uploading something like Fortnite or Valorant, that would actually be better for you. So upload trending content. That's another one, a huge one. Number 5, play / record with other YouTubers / streamers. So in your videos, you want to include other personalities and YouTuber streamers, and that can help you grow your viewer base. Because if people see you from the other perspective, like if I'm playing with my friend, and they see me from his stream, like we can get more subs that way. That's a huge one. 6, schedule your content. Do not, and by do not I mean do not, upload right away and off schedule. So as you guys know, you guys should not upload your content right away, right when you make the video. You want to have a consistent schedule. So with my videos, even if I get them done a day early, I still schedule them to be right on schedule 2 days after, because I upload every other day. So this video, for example, is being recorded the same day that I recorded my Xbox Game Bar video. But I'm posting them on 2 different days, so I have content. And that way, if you have a lot of content stacked up, you don't have to worry about being on time. So that is going to do it for this video today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you want to help me out. I do giveaways, so please join my Discord server, and you can take part in those. And yeah.